Get your thing out. All right, good morning, Easton and Aubrey. Just wanted to show you. So for our schedule, if you click on, let's say I click on math, whole group and small group. When I go here, this is the video that Mrs. Wisewake made for our lesson for today. Okay, so that will play. Okay, then when you go to our stations, if I click right on the item, if you are logged into your Google Classroom, it takes you directly to the assignment in Google Classroom that you need to click on and complete. Okay, same with this one, right into that assignment. And then for Seesaw, it'll take you right to that app. You may need to have your login. I'm logged in as me, so it came up for mine. And I did include the Seesaw logins on the next one on how to do that and your code. For your games, this will take you right to the math games. You just have to enable the Adobe Flash Player, so allow that, and then you're good to go on that. And then this will take you directly to iExcel, and then you will log into your account for that. Okay, then on the reading, so Sunday Fun Day, this takes you directly to the video that you need to do for that. Hi, friends. Okay, hi, Will. Welcome back. For science, we're working on the same thing that we've been working on this week since Monday. So this takes you directly to, I did a little video on how to do all that, including examples, and then writing. This takes you directly to that assignment that we're working on in Google Classroom. And then last, for reading, you go directly to here, and you go to Thursday, and you've got a video you can watch here. This is all assigned on Connect Ed, which is, let me get to my Google search. If you go to the waffle, and if you're already logged into your Google Classroom, when you scroll all the way down, you get to Connect Ed. And if you logged into Google Classroom using your Google login, you will automatically be logged into Connect Ed from that waffle. Okay? Trying to think if there's anything else. Then I just have a read aloud. What if I had Animal Tea to do? Okay, so clicking on that link will get you there. I put in some extracode.org, Go Noodles, how to draws, in case you want to do that during specials. All right, let me know if you have any problems.